What if I told you there's a creature on Earth that hasn't changed in 500 million years? Would you believe it? How could that be possible? How can life keep evolving all around it while this one creature stays the same? Wouldn't it need to change to survive? And why didn't it? Let's dive deep, literally, into one of the strangest, oldest stories on our planet. It begins in the ocean, in the dark, mysterious depths where light never reaches. Have you ever heard of the horseshoe crab? It's not a crab. Not really. It's not a spider either, though it's more closely related to them. It's something else. Something ancient. It looks like a helmet with a tail. A creature out of time. And that's exactly what it is. Fossils show that horseshoe crabs were crawling around on the ocean floor over 480 million years ago. To put that in perspective, that's before the dinosaurs, before trees, before fish had jaws. So here's the big question. Why haven't they changed? Why has evolution left them alone? Every other creature on Earth has evolved, adapted, or gone extinct. But not the horseshoe crab. It has the same body shape it had when the continents were still one giant landmass. How does that even happen? Some scientists call it a living fossil. But does that mean it's perfect? Has it found the ultimate survival design? Let's take a closer look. The horseshoe crab's armor-like shell protects it from predators. It has 10 legs and a long tail called a telson. Its eyes? They're weird too. It has compound eyes like insects, but also other light-sensitive organs across its body. And its blood? Now that's the most bizarre part of all. It's blue. Yes, blue. What? Because its blood uses copper instead of iron to carry oxygen. And guess what? That blue blood is incredibly valuable to humans. What? Because it contains a chemical that detects toxins. It's used to test vaccines, IVs, and surgical implants. So this ancient creature is helping save modern lives. Isn't that ironic? A creature from 500 million years ago is helping us in the age of rockets and AI. So again, why hasn't it changed? Maybe it didn't need to. Maybe it was already well designed for its environment. Or maybe it's been changing in ways we can't see. Do small changes matter if the big shape stays the same? Does that mean evolution stopped? Or just slowed down? Could it be evolving on a different scale? And what about other creatures like it? Did you know the coelacanth fish was thought to be extinct for 65 million years, until someone caught one alive in 1938? Or that jellyfish have existed for over 500 million years too? Or that the nautilus, a strange shelled squid-like creature, hasn't changed in hundreds of millions of years? Is the ocean just a better place to survive unchanged? Is that why we find so many ancient species in the sea? Maybe the deep sea is like a time capsule, keeping creatures safe from the chaos above. But here's the twist. Even though horseshoe crabs haven't changed much, they're in danger now. Their eggs are food for shorebirds. Their habitats are being destroyed by development. And they're harvested for their blood. Could we lose a creature that survived mass extinctions and meteor impacts because of us? Wouldn't that be the greatest irony? That a species that outlived the dinosaurs could be ended by humans in just a few decades? Should we be protecting these living fossils? What does it say about us if we can't keep alive something that survived 500 million years? And here's the biggest question of all. If evolution gave us horseshoe crabs, jellyfish, and coelacanth, what else is hiding in the deep, still unchanged? What secrets does the ancient ocean still hold? And if we truly want to understand our past, shouldn't we protect the creatures that remember it?